Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear showing you another enclosed rack we just made. This one is for Venture. You can see this is a enclosed rack. It's fairly skinny, about 8 inches thick, with the stainless trim down the side. Got their name cut out of the top there, which is a pretty cool feature. Blue light up there, blue LEDs. Now those will also go to red, the Trux light, dual revolution light. We've got the 50-gallon hydraulic tank with a kit that we make. It's got all the stuff you need to install it, sight temp gauge on the side. If you have trailers that need hydraulics, stainless steel doors, top face trim, and then all across the top here we got the stainless trim. It's all aluminum except for the stainless steel parts. Those are 14 gauge 304 mirror, nice high quality stainless steel. Same with the side trim, they're also 14 gauge. The inside, it's got the 2 channels here, but you've got your chain hanger, an 8-inch well, and then you've got a little bit of storage here in the middle. Again, pretty skinny rack. You get your jail bar there so you can see out the back window of your truck. It's probably got a sleeper on there. The right side's got the same chain hanger in it. For more products like this headache rack, custom made, you can check out our website or give us a call. Talk to one of our sales guys. They can help you out with your build for your next truck. If you're planning something for spring or summer, or even next fall, be sure to get ahead of it so that it can get you in the queue and get your headache rack made for your next truck. You can get these roll-up racks. We got normal enclosed. We've got all sorts of different kind of headache racks. Maybe find one that you're looking for on our website there, www.iconicmetalgear.com. Check us out. Thanks for watching.